What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to set up and use phone as a remote on TV Fire Stick. Firstly, go to the App Store on your phone, then search for Amazon Fire TV and install it. Now turn on location services and Bluetooth, then open the Fire TV app and grant all requested permissions. Make sure your phone and Fire TV stick are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app and from the list of devices, tap Fire TV stick. A PIN code will appear on your TV screen. Enter the code into the app on your phone, and once entered, your phone is now connected. You can now swipe to navigate menus, tap to select, use the keyboard to type faster, and even control volume on supported devices. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.